Okay, guys, so I'm gonna unbox now. I have 10K beach ball, so I'm just gonna unbox it. Let's hope I get the godly. Okay, bad start. Bad start. No. Holy crap. I'm getting all the trash stuff. Like what? No way! There's no way. Guys, I unboxed WATERGUN. Oh. What? I did not think I was gonna get it. And this is the fair way too. I literally grinded for these stuff, okay? I grinded for this 10K. I never bought, as you can see. I have 18,000 total. Like, there's no way. I did not even expect that. Like, seriously. Wow. I've really got it, bro. Oh, I saw it. Wow, I can't believe I actually got it though. Like, this was a joke. Like, I was joking. Can't believe I actually unboxed it. Wow. Wait, what number case was that on? I'm not sure, but 3, 4. It was like below 10 cases. Now you guys know I have to make a WATERGUN montage now. Oh, let me see. Oh, this is like perfect. Oh. Yes. Oh, looks good. It looks really good.